How to set up Gemini voice assistant in iPhone. So first thing you want to do is obviously sign in or log in to your email or Google account. However, you can also use some features without signing in, but it's better to have a signed in account. So if you're using an email and then you're using an eligible device, so make sure you're using an eligible device or an iPhone or iPad. Now, in order to use the Gemini app, you can install or open the Gemini app itself. Then make sure that you're signed in into your Google account. So in order to chat with Gemini, you can select the following options. You can enter prompt by tapping the keyboard, then enter your prompt. You can also say your prompt by tapping the microphone, then say your prompt. Or you can go to live by typing the live and then directly say your prompt. And that's how you can use Gemini app. So for your Gemini mobile app and location, you can just open your iPhone, tap on the location permissions, tap Google, and then click use precise location in order to turn it off or on. And you can also choose location access for the app, which is these options right here. But it's not basically it. That's how you can set up Gemini voice assistant in iPhone.